Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you want to have a raised garden outside and don't want to put too much effort into tilling the ground and bending over to pick weeds and such, then you need a pair of these raised garden beds on legs from MGNO. A couple things I love about these are, first off, they're made from galvanized steel, so they're super lightweight and they're very durable. So I have wooden raised beds that are already deteriorating to the elements, but these galvanized raised beds are going to last for a really long time. One thing about assembly I noticed is you are going to want to wait to attach the bolts on both of the bottom holes on either side of the legs, because you'll attach the bottom rods in order to keep the bottom onto the planter box. So that'll save you some time if you wait to apply the rod and the sides and the bolt all at the same time. It's so nice that they come with their own felt liners that helps to keep the beds moist so you don't have to water as often. This has been so nice for my little kitchen garden. I have herbs, broccoli, lettuce, and kale and other things growing. And I'm just so excited because it is working really, really well, and it's going to make my summer the best ever. These are such good quality galvanized steel raised garden beds on legs. If you don't already have a set, you should definitely get them. And that's my point of view.